Hi, so let's talk about how you can change font style on your iPhone. So if you don't like your current font, you can change your font on different apps and I'll guide you through the process, but please first hit that subscribe button, it really helps. Thank you. Okay, so in order to change your font settings, you have to go into settings and then scroll down and go into general settings, and in the general settings you will see fonts. Here if you scroll down a bit you will see fonts, just tap on that and here you will see two type of fonts: system fonts and my fonts. So let me explain what my fonts are. Basically these are the fonts that you will use from third-party apps. Okay, so you can go on app store and you can find the fonts you want to install in this phone. But if you go back, these are the system fonts given by Apple, so you can use them. Most of them are already installed, but let's say if you want something new, you can just click on this button and install that. So it will first download and then you will be able to use it. So let's say now it has downloaded, so you can go in there and then you can find different versions. Here we have the regular version only, so you tap on that and it will show you how does it look basically. So if you go back and you can check other fonts, there are multiple variations of the fonts. You can check them how they look in different versions, and then you can remember which font you like and which font you want to use. Okay, now if how to use that font in the apps. So let's say if you go into your mailing app, and here if you start writing a new email, so you will see that currently it's writing in the same font. Okay, the font has not been changed yet, but in order to change the font you have to tap on this A button in the left top corner of the keyboard. So here you will see that default font is selected, so you just tap on that and from here you will select that font you wanted it to be changed to. So let's say it was American typewriter, so I would pick that. Now if I head back to my keyboard and start typing, so as you can see now it's typing in the new font, and that is the American typewriter which I selected. Okay, now this is for the email, but most of the people are asking that how can we use this font for other apps. So unfortunately Apple has not yet launched its feature for other apps. So right now you can use this in the mail option, and also remember that only iPhone users will be able to see the font you chose in your email. So let's say if they receive this on their iPhone with iOS 18 update, so they will see this font that you have used. And if an Android user is receiving the email, they will be able to see the default font that you were already using. So I hope Apple updates it for the other apps, so it will be fun to change the font for our menu and all the settings. And here if we could change the font, that would be great. So I hope Apple would do that in future. So but for now, for iOS 18 the font is only for the mail app. So I hope it helped. If it did, please consider subscribing and liking to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.